Naranseina-gi CRPF came the landaduna forces asigi personnel ani hatkhibagi Chap chaaba paokhum peegani haina Manipur Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh ana phongdorakli. Ngasi ahing nongyai matung pung amarom taba matamda Naranseina-gi CRPF ki camp da sakhang da bakulai paibasingna landabada leikidraba sub inspector Naranseina sarkar amasung head constable Arup Sainigi mafamda ekaikumna board pagaloinana mayum lamdamda thinkibaga mari lenana Kuldeep Singh ana wafamasi phongdokibani. Laikida bhagchang ani dungasi rims kimerel sangdagi Imphal International Airport ta puraklaba matung mayum lamdamda thajungai mangoinana laikatuna ikaikhumna bodki. Ikaikhumna bodpaduna Manipur gi DGP Kuldeep Singh ADGP ke Kailunsu sarugyaki. Paumi Singh na wangangladuna Kuldeep Singh ana phongdokibada Central Forcing ase Manipurda mugnariba furup ani gi marakta neutral force oina mathau tawri. Aduba sigma force asida landaduna personnel sing hatpasi pangdabagi thongni thodok adu chenabus singi mathakta convection lokhatkani logi matungina cherak pigani haike amaromda landadu kanana chathakiba manbagi haina hangbada Kuldeep na hai housing maki on investigation gi process ta leiri mafam aduda karamba lubna khulingduna leibagi haiba miyamna hena khanglabani chap chaba thabak lokhatkani haike.
We will take all action against them from today onwards only, and we are making a plan on day-to-day working out of the things like combing operation in the whole areas, and during the investigation we will find out who has done it, and we will not spare them, bring them to the court of law, and all whatever they have done they will have to pay for it as per law of the land. That is at the very nascent stage of the investigation. I can't exactly say, but you can very well anticipate and understand whatever group in that area is active. And this is the first time that they have attacked the forces. Maithis or Kukis, they were not attacking the forces because forces have come to maintain peace, and that is how we are in the middle of both the communities, so that at least whenever there is a problem, seeing the central forces and even both the sides, they call these kind of forces CRP, BSF and Army, Assam Rifle neutral forces. They themselves say neutral forces. So if they are neutral forces, why are you attacking the neutral forces? Whoever has done it, they will have to pay a very heavy price of this, and we will take all steps, and we will put all agencies and find it out who has done it, and he will be booked as per the law of the land.